Home brewing is an age-old tradition, connecting us to generations past. It's a hands-on experience, transforming simple ingredients into something special. The magic happens through fermentation, where yeast converts sugar into alcohol. This creates unique flavors and aromas. Home brewing allows for creativity and control. You choose your ingredients, influencing the final product. It's a rewarding process, resulting in a personalized drink to share and enjoy. Whether you're a seasoned brewer or a curious beginner, the world of home brewing welcomes you. Before embarking on your brandy-making adventure, gather the necessary ingredients and equipment. This preparation is crucial to ensure a smooth and successful process. Having everything ready and within reach will save you time and prevent any last-minute scrambles. The basic components include fruit. Choose ripe, flavorful tropical fruits like mangoes, pineapples, or passion fruit. The quality of the fruit directly impacts the flavor of your brandy, so select the best you can find. Freshness is key, as overripe or underripe fruits can alter the taste. Sugar is essential for the yeast to convert into alcohol. Granulated sugar is commonly used, but you can experiment with different types of sugar to see how they affect the flavor. The amount of sugar you use will also influence the sweetness and alcohol content of your final product. Yeast is another critical component. Select a yeast strain specifically designed for fruit brandies. These strains are optimized to handle the high sugar content and produce the best flavors. The right yeast can make a significant difference in the fermentation process and the quality of your brandy. Water is also a vital ingredient. Use clean, filtered water throughout the process to avoid any impurities that could affect the taste. The water you use can influence the clarity and purity of your brandy, so it's worth investing in good quality. In addition to the ingredients, you'll need some basic equipment. A fermentation vessel is essential. This should be a large, food-grade container with an airtight lid to keep the environment sterile and prevent contamination. The size of the vessel will depend on the quantity of fruit you are fermenting. An airlock is also necessary. This device allows carbon dioxide to escape during fermentation while preventing oxygen from entering, which could spoil the batch. Proper use of an airlock ensures a controlled fermentation process and helps maintain the quality of your brandy. Cheesecloth or muslin cloth is used for straining the fermented fruit. This step is crucial to remove any solid particles and achieve a smooth liquid. The cloth should be clean and preferably sterilized to avoid introducing any unwanted bacteria. Finally, you'll need bottles. Clean, sterilized bottles are essential for storing your finished brandy. Proper sterilization prevents contamination and extends the shelf life of your brandy. Make sure the bottles are sealed tightly to preserve the flavor and quality over time. Fermentation is the heart of brandy making. This ancient process transforms simple fruit into a complex and flavorful spirit. By following a few essential steps, you can ensure that your homemade brandy will be a success. Follow these steps to ensure a successful transformation. Each stage is crucial, from preparation to fermentation, and attention to detail will make all the difference. First, preparation. Clean and sanitize all equipment thoroughly. This step is vital to prevent any unwanted bacteria or wild yeast from contaminating your batch. Use hot water and a suitable sanitizer to ensure everything is spotless. Next, select your fruit. The quality of your fruit will directly impact the flavor of your brandy. Crush or chop your chosen fruit and place it in the fermentation vessel. Make sure to use ripe, fresh fruit for the best results. Now it's time for yeast activation. Yeast is the microorganism that will convert the sugars in the fruit into alcohol. Follow the instructions on your yeast packet to activate it properly. This usually involves mixing the yeast with warm water and letting it sit for a few minutes, then combining ingredients. Add the activated yeast, sugar, and water to the fruit in the fermentation vessel. Stir well to combine. The sugar will feed the yeast, helping it to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. Finally, fermentation. Seal the vessel with the airlock and store it in a cool, dark place. The airlock allows carbon dioxide to escape while preventing oxygen and contaminants from entering. This stage can take several weeks, so patience is key. Fermentation can take several weeks, depending on the fruit and yeast. During this time, the yeast will work its magic, transforming the fruit mixture into a delightful, aromatic brandy. Monitor the process, and once fermentation is complete, you'll be ready to move on to the next stage of brandy making. Tropical fruits offer a vibrant palette of flavors for crafting unique brandies. Consider these options. Mango, known for its rich, sweet flavor, mango brandy is a delightful treat. Pineapple, the tangy sweetness of pineapple creates a refreshing and aromatic brandy. Passion fruit, with its intense exotic flavor, passion fruit brandy is a true indulgence. Lychee offers a delicate floral aroma and a slightly sweet, tart flavor, and guava produces a brandy with a unique musky sweetness and a hint of tartness. Section 5. Capturing the essence of Europe. Tips for an authentic brandy. When it comes to crafting an authentic European-style brandy, there are several key elements to consider. From the selection of ingredients to the aging process, each step plays a crucial role in achieving that distinctive flavor and aroma that brandy enthusiasts cherish. While using tropical fruits, you can still achieve a European-style brandy. Here's how. The choice of fruit is the first step. Although traditional European brandies often use grapes, you can experiment with tropical fruits like mangoes, pineapples, or even passion fruit. The key is to ensure that the fruit is ripe and full of natural sugars, which will contribute to the fermentation process. Yeast selection. Choose yeast strains commonly used in traditional European brandy production. These yeasts are specifically designed to enhance the flavors and aromas of the fruit, ensuring a rich and complex final product. Look for yeast strains that are known for their ability to ferment at lower temperatures, as this will help to preserve the delicate flavors of the fruit. Fermentation temperature. Maintain a consistent fermentation temperature between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. This range is ideal for many European brandy yeasts. Consistency is key here, as fluctuations in temperature can lead to off flavors and a less desirable final product. Using a digital thermometer and a temperature-controlled fermentation setup can help you achieve this. Oak aging. Consider aging your brandy in oak barrels or adding oak chips to the bottles for a hint of oaky vanilla notes. The aging process is where the magic happens, as the brandy interacts with the oak, absorbing its flavors and developing a smooth, rich character. If you don't have access to oak barrels, oak chips can be a great alternative, providing similar flavor profiles without the need for large storage space. Distillation, which is optional. For a more refined spirit, consider distilling your fermented fruit mash using a home distillation unit. However, be aware of and follow all local laws regarding home distillation. Distillation can help to concentrate the flavors and increase the alcohol content, resulting in a cleaner, more polished final product. It's a step that requires precision and care, but the results can be well worth the effort. By following these tips, you can create a brandy that captures the essence of traditional European methods while incorporating your own unique twist. Whether you're a seasoned distiller or a curious beginner, the journey of crafting your own brandy can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Cheers to your brandy making adventure. Section 6. Safety first, precautions and storage advice. When making brandy at home, safety is paramount. Thoroughly clean and sanitize all equipment before and after each use to prevent contamination. Ensure the airlock is functioning correctly, allowing carbon dioxide to escape. Enjoy your homemade brandy responsibly and in moderation. Proper storage is crucial for preserving the quality of your brandy. Store your bottled brandy in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Keep the bottles upright to prevent the cork from drying out and affecting the brandy's flavor. Section 7. Savoring the rewards, the benefits of homemade brandy. Crafting your own brandy offers numerous advantages. Making brandy at home can be significantly more affordable than purchasing commercial brands. You have complete control over the ingredients and flavors, tailoring the brandy to your preferences. The process of transforming fruit into a delicious spirit is incredibly rewarding. A bottle of homemade brandy makes a thoughtful and personalized gift for friends and family. Section 8. Troubleshooting your brandy. Even with the best intentions, sometimes things don't go exactly to plan. Here are a few common issues and how to address them. If fermentation is not starting, ensure the yeast is fresh and activated correctly. Check the temperature. It might be too cold. Mold growth indicates contamination. Discard the batch and thoroughly sanitize all equipment. Off flavors can result from using overripe fruit, poor sanitation, or improper storage. Low alcohol content could mean not enough sugar was added or the fermentation stalled prematurely. Section 9. Conclusion. A toast to your home brewing journey. Making your own tropical fruit brandy is a journey of discovery, creativity, and ultimately satisfaction. By following these steps and embracing the process, you can create a unique and flavorful spirit that reflects your personal touch. Remember to prioritize safety, enjoy the journey, and savor the fruits of your labor. Cheers to your home brewing adventure.